Hey everyone, I wanted to create a video to offer up a pretty cool tool that I've started using a lot lately. And I'm surprised by how few people actually know about this and use it regularly. This past June, LinkedIn quietly rolled out an ad library feature on their platform. It's hard to find. I couldn't find a way to find it just on LinkedIn's website. But if you go to the URL linkedin.com/ad dash library, this comes up. What this is it's basically a database of all of the paid and promoted ads on the LinkedIn platform since June of 2023. It's my understanding that they did this. It has something to do with GDPR and just visibility and transparency in ads and making a searchable database. So it's a pretty cool tool, though, for folks who are in marketing. There's probably a lot of applications, but I wanted to give you a quick run through on some of the ways that I'm using it and see if it might be helpful for you as well. So you can go in and you can actually search by the company name or the advertiser name, search by specific keywords. You can sort by, country that you're interested in. You can sort by the date that the ad ran. So let's type in a company. I'm going to put in Upwork because they do a ton of paid ads on this platform. If you click on that, it takes you to there are 710 ads that match your search criteria. You can go through, and what's really interesting is you can see all the ads, promoted ads that they've done, ads of different types. LinkedIn has single image ads, they have video ads, text ads, message ads, document ads. All of those different types of ads are on this page and in this library. You can click on the details within one of the specific ads. And check this out. It takes you to this page where you can see obviously more detail about the ad. It's a single image ad, the advertiser that gives you that information. So the brand, obviously. It also gives you information about who paid for this ad. And this is really interesting to me as someone who works for marketing for an advertising agency. We buy ads on behalf of a lot of clients. If an agency buys this ad on behalf of a company, it's going to come up here. It also gives you the time that this ad was run. If this ad ran in the European Union at all, they're required to show a lot of information around ad impressions. So check this out. You can see the total number of impressions, where the impressions were. Obviously, this one was primarily in United States and Canada. You go down even further, and it gives you ad targeting information about language. So they were targeting English speakers. They were targeting locations of Germany, US, Canada, UK. And then if there's an exclusion on the audience, it'll give you that information too. So this is pretty crazy. There are lots of different applications for how you might use a tool like this. For example, let me put in, searching by a keyword such as global payroll. Let's say you care about that category. 3,389 ads match your criteria. Look at this. Like everything that it pulls up, different companies that are paying for this. Let's drop into an ad like this one by Papaya Global. Again, lots of good information here. Some use cases that I thought about how this could be a really useful tool for you. If you are a creative and you're wanting to do competitive research on display ads or creative or anything like that, this is a great resource for you to go in and search by specific keywords, by certain company names. You can get a lot of really good information and use that for your competitive analysis. If you're doing messaging work and you're trying to dial in on what other companies in your space, how they're messaging themselves, what their ad copy looks like, so that you can be aware of like not just what they're doing in the market, but specifically what kind of ads they're running last week. Like this one ran earlier this week. That's some real-time insight around messaging for your competition that you could draw from. You can also gain inspiration, things like that. And then finally, the last use case, and this is specifically relevant for me as someone who works for a marketing and advertising agency, I'm getting good intelligence around if a brand pays for their own ads themselves or if they're using an agency. So I thought this would be a helpful tip to share with my network. If you know of someone that you think would be helpful for them to get this info, be sure to tag them in the comments and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.